Hi, so my name is Richard, and in this video I will show how you make a filter and a setup for baby turtles, but it can basically be used for fishes or whatever the need you have. So come along. Something that is very cute is animal babies, and turtles is no exception. So in this box, hi there, I have two species, or one subspecies from and one species, and they are very small. I can take down my hand, you will see that I am a giant. This is a large one of the small one, so to speak, and here comes a really small baby turtle. And this is why I do this, to set up this properly. Yeah, aren't they cute? My chickens want to be part of this too, but hey, this video is not about chickens, so come on, stuff, and I will walk through to show you what we will use and how we will use it. So let's see here. I will start with the boxes. So these boxes, it's plastic containers, and they are from IKEA. I'm a Swedish guy, so yeah, we are proud of our IKEA, and I think that you have IKEA all over the place where you are. This is a series of boxes. It's called SAMLA. So SAMLA comes in many different sizes. For example, this is the smallest one. It's 5 liters, and the measurement is and now it will be in metrics. So it's like 28 times, I don't know actually. I don't know the measurements. You have to see on their websites, but 5 liters. SAMLA. And fun fact, SAMLA, it's Swedish, and SAMLA, it means collect, and the word samling, it's close to SAMLA, it's collection. So it makes sense, doesn't it, if you know the meaning? I know that you guys out there that don't speak Swedish think that IKEA has a very strange name on things, but the few of us that speak Swedish, we actually, it's very, yeah, it's smart names actually, and describe what it's all about. So SAMLA, collect, you collect stuff in the boxes. I collect turtles here. so this 5 liters, and there is one that is twice as big. It's 11 liters, and I actually have a little note here, and it's measure 39, 28 and 14 centimeters. So the height is 14 centimeters, 38 and 29. Yeah. So, and they come with lids like this. It's for the 11, like that. I am on my way cutting this in half, and I will use a power tool here to have a little nicer thing going on, a nicer line here, a straight line. But what I do is that I cut it in half, and I put this on top, and now we have a pond with a trickling filter, and I will show you how I do it. It's super easy. And you can scale this up in this series of boxes from IKEA or from somewhere else. So what you will need is boxes, you will need some kind of tubing, you will need a small pump that pushes water up from the pond or tank to the filter. And that is basically it. You will need filter media, of course, but I will show you how. One way of cutting this lid is to do like that, this. But you can also do like that, you keep the brine here. So you just take out a piece here for the UV lighting and the sun lamps. And then you have a rim if you want additional security so the turtle can climb out. It depends on a lot of factors. If you have a lot of turtles, so they get a little bigger, they can climb on each other. In my case, there is no chance because they are so tiny. But you can cut this open like so you save a rim here and this, so the filter can stand there and you will have protection for escapers. Okay, so I have a power tool here, a fane, but I will try with this utility knife and see if I can solve it. The plastic it is a little flexible, but it can crack. So I try, and I have more lids. Here we go. As I said earlier, I will use a pump to pump up the water from the pond or a little tank to the filter, and I use a tube. And to get this tube from the tank up to the filter, I will drill a hole. And these boxes, they have like handles, and on the inside you have like an edge here where you have your fingers on the outside. And I will drill a hole like a couple of millimeters, a quarter inch, 6 millimeters over there to take out this hose. And then I also know that line I can never fill the water higher up than there. So this hole, it will be sealed by the hose, but I know that I need to not go with that for security reasons. And I will show you how this will look like. On the topic of drilling, I use an incremental drill. I think it's the name of it. You find those on Amazon for nothing. And you drill and you try, and you drill and you try till you get the perfect fit. So a good tip for you. So this is the result of the drilling, and now I will push the hose through this hole. Let me show you how. Like that, and some force, and that's good because that will seal this like that, like so. And this piece will go down to the pump, and this piece will go up to the filter. Hang on for more. So here I'm on my way to take out a lid with a rim, a protection for escaping, and I use fine. I don't know what you call that in English, but whatever. It's a power tool. So you can argue I am sponsored, but I'm not. I'm just from Sweden. So a red knife, filter media, and some measurements. So I have a 50 centimeter wide filter media here that I have cut in half, and it is 12 centimeters high, so it will fill up this very good like that, but I will show you later. So this is a fine mat, and I have a very coarse mat, and I have some filter floss, but more about that later. Now I cut some blue bread. This is a filter box, a 5-liter SAMLA box from IKEA. Here is the inlet hole on the back side. It runs through this filter floss and through these 2 types of filter media, a fine and a coarser, and then out and back into the pond. And I have a larger diameter on the outlet, so I get out all the water, so I don't have an overflow on my floor. Don't need that. So on the topic of pumps, I ordered a bunch of pumps from Amazon, and I will put the links in the description. So they are super cute. It's like 4.8 watts, and they pump 300 liters an hour. So that is really good, like this. And here you have super duper functions. So you can you have 3 settings or 4 settings. So it's for the money, like $10. It is super nice. and they are actually powered by USB. So I have one of those, 4 pumps, and in one socket I can have like 4 ponds with the pumps. That is very nice indeed, and it's brushless. It's super duper. Okay, so here is the setup. 11-liter pump, 5-liter, and power bank, and a USB cord. Let's see. Yeah, it's running smoothly, doesn't it? And the power have 4 settings, so you can click. This is the highest one. So, and as I told before, you can scale it up. So look here. There is a 65 liters of water, power bank, and here we go. A mobile pond from IKEA. So, I hope this was something for you, maybe some tips for you. Easy way to make a filter out of boxes from IKEA. That was lesson today. We also learned what SAMLA means in Swedish. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to get you back. I have a playlist with movies about turtles and other stuff. You can follow that, or like me and follow me here. But the most important is that you get something out of it. So enjoy life and take care. Bye bye.